Hey there, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our collective understanding: mental health myths. I'm Tom, and I'm excited to share my thoughts and experiences with you as we bust these myths together. In a world where information spreads quickly, it's easy for myths about mental health to take root. But today, we're arming ourselves with facts to challenge these myths head-on. And as always, I'm eager to hear what you think in the comments below. Myth 1. Mental health is a sign of weakness. Let's kick things off with myth number 1. Mental health struggles are a sign of weakness. This couldn't be farther from the truth. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and seeking help shows tremendous strength and self-awareness. I remember when I first sought help for my mental health challenges. It took a lot of courage to admit that I needed support. Have you ever felt the same way? Share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Myth 2. You can snap out of it. Moving on to myth number 2. You can just snap out of it. This misconception oversimplifies the complexity of mental health struggles. I used to struggle with this myth myself, thinking that if I just tried harder, I could overcome my challenges. What about you? Have you ever encountered this belief or thought? Let's talk about it in the comments. Myth 3. Only crazy people need therapy. This harmful stereotype can prevent many from seeking the help they deserve. I've met many wonderful people who found therapy incredibly helpful for personal growth, even if they weren't experiencing extreme situations. What's your take on therapy? Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Myth 4. Medication solves everything. While medication has its place, it's not a universal solution. I've personally experienced the benefits of combining medication with other strategies. What's your perspective on the role of medication in mental health treatment? Let's discuss in the comments. Myth 5. Children can't have mental health issues. This misconception can delay necessary interventions. I believe that addressing mental health early in life is crucial for well-being. Do you agree? Have you ever encountered myths about mental health in children? Share your thoughts in the comments. We've successfully challenged these myths, but our work doesn't stop here. Your comments are a crucial part of this discussion. By sharing our stories and insights, we're breaking down the walls of stigma and fostering understanding. Thank you for joining me today as we dove into these mental health myths. If you found this video insightful, your comments contribute to making a difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more meaningful content.